and today I'm going to share with you a quick, easy salad dressing. Now you know I love salads. I love the colors, I love the textures, I love the fresh ingredients, and the fact that they are uncooked, totally nutritious. But what takes a salad from being good to being great is the salad dressing. Today I'm going to share with you an easy salad dressing that you can do just before you serve your salad. So let's go over the ingredients. I have 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice, a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and crushed garlic. Now the first step is to prepare the garlic. So I'm going to use a small grater. And we're going to grate the garlic, because even though fresh garlic is good, no one wants to taste the garlic directly. So I'm going to grate the garlic as fine as possible. And then we're going to go on to the other ingredients. Now our garlic is ready. We're going to add the other ingredients. So we're going to add the extra virgin olive oil. We're going to add our lime juice. Freshly squeezed lime juice is always best. And salt and pepper to give it that kick. And we're going to whisk. This can be done in minutes, and this will elevate the taste of any salad. Over the course of the next few videos, I'll share with you some other really easy salad dressings to elevate your salads. Now, we'll allow this to sit for a few minutes before we place it over our salad. Our salad dressing is done. Just look at it. Beautiful. Quick and easy. So I call this Kelly's Easy Salad Dressing. Now, you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this video, I want you to look over here, see some of my other videos. And once you've watched them all, click the button below, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.